Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini, guys. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back, guys. Kita akan kembali lagi mengamati perkembangan dari Putri Ariani, yaitu The Beautiful Song dari Indonesia yang sangat-sangat fenomenal. Dan wow, dia selalu bikin kaget para reaktor-reaktor dari luar negeri, guys, karena wah, penampilannya ini nggak ada tandingannya, guys. Jadi setiap lagu yang di cover, setiap lagu yang dibawakan dengan penghayatan dan emosional yang sangat-sangat wow sekali, guys. Nggak salah lagi, kali ini Putri Ariani menjadi fenomenal sekali di musisi-musisi luar negeri. Banyak para pengamat musik dan pakar analisa musik yang mengamati penampilan Putri Ariani. Oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya. Let's go, guys.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya di Modal Channel. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga tetap sehat dan tetap semangat di dalam menjalankan segala macam aktivitas.
Amin, amin.
Dan seperti biasa,
jangan lupa subscribe juga channel abangnya, guys.
Informasi terbaru dan juga terdahsyat dari para pakar-pakar musik luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan terima kasih banyak kami ucapkan kepada yang telah mengklik video ini. Semoga tetap sehat dan dilimpahkan rezekinya sampai 7 turunan. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Guys, di video kali ini ada yang tampil beda dan juga lebih seru daripada biasanya. Beliau adalah seorang pakar analisis dan juga guru vokal dari luar negeri yang menganalisa teknik-teknik vokal Putri Ariani di American Got Talent dari mulai sampai habis. Bahkan beliau sampai histeris dan kagum sekali ketika mendengarkan suara tinggi dari Putri Ariani. Penasaran seperti apa reaksinya? Langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go!
Simon Cowell recently told somebody on America's Got Talent that they are the best singer he thinks that they have ever had on the show. Can you believe it? Check this out.
Yeah.
I'm the best singer we've ever had on our show.
Can you believe that? Oh, I can. This girl, Putri Ariani, has an amazing voice. Out of the millions of things that she does to really lock that in, I'm going to do a reaction and a little bit of analysis. I think there are 3 things that she does the most.
Does that mic feel like it's a good spot for you? Cool. And the key's good?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Have fun.
Okay.
So if you haven't figured out already, Putri Ariani is blind. Now she's going to play the piano and sing at the same time. I'm going to take out all of the background instrument in the piano so we could solely concentrate on Putri's voice. And I really want you to listen because we're going to lock this down. Here it goes.
Wow, lanjut. Dia fokus ke suara vokal Putri Ariani ya, makanya suara soundnya dihilangkan ya, guys.
Explain things. Go back and push J on your keyboard or double click back and listen to the hurt already in her voice. She's purposefully using breathiness in order to lock in that hurt that she feels. She knows how to use her full vocal cords, but she doesn't here.
Together in this love, promise we'll forever. Oh my gosh.
And that forever, as soon as she gets to forever, she starts to get more breathy and out of breath as if she can't believe that this is happening.
Whoa.
That's real emotion.
Ya, mantap, lanjut.
I know.
That vibrato, very even at the end, as if it's like consistently bothering her and amping up, and that at the end, oh.
Wow, keren.
Break my hopes.
There, right there, You Break My Heart is full chest voice and then goes into head voice after that, as if like, and it's a breathy head voice, more falsetto, and then it brings that as if you just given up and you can't believe it. Why?
Make me so down in a loneliness.
Do you hear the voice cracks in there? They were really important. When you're doing voice cracks, not as a mannerism, not as a habit, but as a choice, which I highly believe that Putri's doing right here, then you really grasp in what's key moments in your song to show the most hurt. Don't just do them all willy-nilly because it's fun to do. That's fun for you. What's fun for the audience is them really having you wearing your heart on your sleeve and doing it for you.
Wow, gokil, mantap.
I did For you are my
For you, like head building a little bit more.
best friend, being my prince, but I was wrong.
Full chest voice here.
Baby, you changed your pain into the
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That little giving up at the end, it's a sigh and a cry all at the same time. When you can communicate just sounds like ahs and oohs with more emotion than most people can do with words, you've got it sold. And that sigh at the end, it wasn't just stopped. It kind of had a given up of like, and it had a sigh, a glissando down.
Mantap, luar biasa sekali. Lanjut.
Guru vokal ya guys, dia paham sekali dengan teknik-teknik bernyanyi.
Should let me when I'm in
And then she just backed off from the word wrong. I was wrong. I had to add the piano there because the normal audio on the thing that I used to strip out the piano really made her voice weak there because it was so in tune with just the piano and that note up there. Oh.
Luar biasa sekali ya, mantap.
Just when you thought that she was done, nope. And of course, after that performance, what are you going to do? You're going to go up and you're going to ask her to sing another song, right, Simon? Yes, of course. Let's see what happens here. Yep, she's singing another song. He asked her. Here we go.
The song is special for you, Simon.
Well, thank you.
He's like, yup, I got this in the bag. This girl is phenomenal. He knows what she gives, and that's her heart on his sleeve. So the first thing, remember, was emotional integrity, being able to express that. The second thing that you're going to hear from her, listen to here, push Jay to go back and listen to her when she does it, is that she ends up being able to always go somewhere. She's never stale on a note. It always climbs, crescendos, decrescendos.
what I gotta do to make
Wow, luar biasa ya.
what I gotta do to make you can.
That's vibrato with breathiness.
What do I do when light
That cry, why? Like, oh my gosh, that just gets me right here so much.
strikes me?
Vibrato with breathiness, why?
And I wake to find that you're not there.
Oh gosh, like that right there is not perfect singing at all. By far not what I would ever tell somebody to do in a voice lesson. Ever. You have to make that raw and organic, and that's the third thing that I really want to latch onto, is it does not have to be beautiful. It has to be believable. And that cry, you can push Jay to go back, or I'm just gonna play here. Watch. It is not perfect, but it is full of emotion, like if she was about to break down and cry.
Wow, gokil, mantap. Guys, ini sengaja tidak dikasih musiknya ya,
That was not
karena
a
dia
good
fokus
choice
ke
of voice
vokalnya
that you
ya.
would say in most lessons, right? But if you're a performer and
It's sad, so sad.
that's sad, and that break of the voice, like, I can't believe it. Why?
It's a sad situation.
That is reprimanding somebody. You know that she's like, how dare you?
It's getting hard.
She just feels it.
It's sad.
It doesn't matter if you feel it. I gotta be honest with you. It matters if somebody else feels it. And that's what Putri Ariani is.
Wow, mantap ya, betul.
Why can't we take it over? Oh, it seems to me.
You hear that crescendo there that happened right there? Oh my gosh, it's like soft and then
Sorry seems to be.
Okay, before we get to the last note, you can feel it coming, right? The B, she modifies her vowel there. That E, watch her mouth.
Sorry seems to
Watch.
be.
And cleans it up to be a more beautiful spin. And that, you don't see that pretty much at all. Once people sing and they're like, oh, that's the eval I'm singing now. She's like, nope, I'm gonna spin it to this modification right here.
Wow, mantap, mantap.
That's why people go nuts, because she was able to like take the E and then spin. The silence and boom, the storm. Right there. Everybody just goes absolute bonkers for it. I gave you my top 3 of what I think happens when people sing this way and what gets people on their feet like this. What are your top 3? I respond to everything. Put them in the comments. Watch how everybody jumps off and
Luar biasa sekali ya guys.
know that there's something more
Gokil.
Putri story.
Ini benar-benar pakar analisis ini ya.
Right? What's going on?
However, he's standing up.
Oh man, that is great. All right, if you want to see more emotional or artists do these kind of emotional performances, take a look at this video right here. You will be highly rewarded if you've never seen Dimash Kudaibergen. Oh my gosh.
Wow, luar biasa. Ini memang benar-benar pakar.
Oke, terima kasih Bang buat video kompilasinya, sangat bagus sekali. Dan jangan lupa subscribe juga channel Abang ini guys, dan akan kita deskripsikan juga apa yang sudah kita lihat. Jadi wow, amazing sekali. Tadi penampilan Putri Ariani sangat-sangat wow. Ini direaction oleh pakar analisa guys, pakar analisa musik. Beliau sangat-sangat tahu apa nada, bagaimana the voice, head voice dan sebagainya guys. Dan Putri Ariani saat ini dikomentari oleh pakar analisa. Ya, kita tahu juga banyak para pengamat musik dan para coach, bahkan ya musisi-musisi luar negeri juga yang sudah mengakui kemampuan Putri Ariani saat bernyanyi guys. Dan wow, amazing. Ini sangat-sangat membanggakan sekali sebagai orang Indonesia yang melihat orang Indonesia juga yang sudah menjadi superstar, bahkan terkenal sampai luar negeri. Saya bangga sekali melihat Putri Ariani. Ini keren sekali guys. Jadi apa tanggapan kalian juga, tulis juga di kolom komentar. Kita berdiskusi di situ. Gak bisa berkata-kata saya guys. Dan wah, amazing. Dan sekian video kali ini. Dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya, mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.